Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the account hierarchy in Oracle Fusion. So what is account hierarchy? So basically account hierarchy is a way of organizing the chart of accounts values um, in a parent and a child structures. For example, consider the parent account as a total asset. So under this, you can group the child account. It's like under this, the current asset, then current asset and child is a cash and raw material. So this is the way you can group your ac- accounts to get the clear and the consolidated view of the financial data. So the why it is more important. So instead of checking the each account separately, you can look at the parent account level and you can get the total uh, assets values, right? So this is the purpose and the benefit of using the account hierarchy in the Oracle Fusion. So now I can tell you the steps involved in creating the account hierarchy. The first we need to create the tree code. After that, we need to create the tree versions and we need to run row and column flattenings and audit tree versions and we need to activate the version. And finally, we need to publish the account hierarchy. Now, let me show you in the application how to create an account hierarchy step by step. So for that, I'm just going to the home page. From there, I will navigate to you. So click on the setup and maintenance. From here, you have to search manage account task. So you will get that manage account hierarchy here. So click on it. You can see the existing account hierarchy already available in the instance. So for creating the new, you have to go to the action and click on the create tree code, enter all the mandatory informations. So wherever you can see this mark, it's a mandatory one. So you have to give all the mandatory information. And here the tree structures always needs to be accounting flexible hierarchy, since that account hierarchies, we are mapping for the segment value, which is related to the accounting flex field. So after giving this, now where you can submit, go to the next, and let me open the existing one. So after giving the mandatory informations, then you have to give the detail of parent and child value set code. So where that value set code is coming means, so when you creating the value sets, let me go to there. You have to navigate to manage value set values. So here, okay, give me a minute. So you can see this value we have created as part of the COA. So here you can see that the value set code and respective values details here. These values only is going to be populated in the account hierarchy. So there is a link between the value set code level. We are giving the link. So you have to just copy the value set code and paste it here. I'm not recommend to enter in the manually. Sometime if there is any gap or space will be there, then it will system will allow to save it. But when you run the account hierarchy reports, it will end up with the error. So I'm suggesting to just copy the value set code and paste it here. So this is a child value, so the summary flag will be the no. Then this is the parent value. The summary flag would be the as for this. So once we given all the information, and you have to submit it. You have to add the parent. Add the parent by clicking of this plus icon. You can get that available label. If you click on the parent, you will get it all the standard and the customs label. So you have to choose how many parents you are going to use for this account hierarchy. So here they have given the 1 and 2. So after giving this information, you have to submit this program. So after successful creation of the tree, then you have to click on that particular tree code, go to the actions and create the tree versions. If you see, it's already there. So I'm taking this. So this is the tree version. So here we have to give the tree names and the effective date and descriptions, the mandatory information. This tree structures codes get defaulted GL account flex field, which we already given in the tree code level. Then we have to click on the next. And here only we are giving the relationship between the parent and the child segments. If you see here, so this is the parent. This is a parent parent. And for this parent, this is a child. For this child, this is the parent. So since the tree versions has been created for the parent and parent two, so there are the two parents involved and the child values has been tagged on it. So in future, if you want to add or remove, you can navigate this page and you can find that tree versions, and you have to navigate this page and you have to add or remove the values. Then after that, you have to submit. So once you submit, it will automatically, the tree will get updated successfully. So after this, you have to run a flatten row and column flattenings. So this process help to prepare the hierarchy data in the correct format. So it can be used effectively in the reporting purpose, right? So when you click on the row flattening, so we have two options. One is schedule flattening and online flattening. Schedule something like you can schedule it and it will run based on the schedule time. Then here we are going on the online flattening. After clicking this process will run in the backend and it will validate and it will get complete. Click on done. So similarly, we have to run it for row flattening. Similarly, we have to run it for row flattening in the online mode. Online mode, we have to run it. So once it's completed, then we have to do the audit tree version. So running this audit tree version, it will help to validate your setup. This setup ensure that you have entered the correct detail and it will highlight or end up with the error if it is any duplication or misplaced of parent and child value. it will get it in the error, then error message will be pop up here. So that audit result will be in the red mark, then the errors will be populated here. So what you have to do, you have to correct that error and you have to run it this online audit again until you get that audit result in green. So once you completed here, then you have to set the status to active. Once it's active, then you have to run publish hierarchy. Again, I'm going to navigate here, setup and maintenance. Manage public, publish hierarchy. எப்ப பாரு இதேதான் ஒண்ணு பண்ணும்போதுதான் போய் கக்கூஸ்ல உட்காந்து So here you have to navigate the publish account hierarchy. Here you have to click and you have to give the hierarchy which we have created here. So this one and the version which you want to publish. This detail you have to give and click on search. So system. So once you click this, it will get the publish button will be automatically enabled. You have to click on it. Then the program will run and complete successfully. Then it is ready for your accounting hierarchy will be ready for the accounting financial data views. That's all. Thank you.